The hot new TikTok creativity program is taking over the realm of social media and is getting attention like crazy. Thousands of people are raking in cash because of how monetizable this opportunity is. If you haven't heard yet, the TikTok creativity program is like YouTube Shorts, but instead of making low sad RPMs of 7 to 10 cents per short, you can actually earn $1 for every 1,000 views your videos get on videos over a minute long. That's literally 10 times the amount of money you can make. And if you're thinking to yourself, oh, but I don't want to record myself or have to make silly videos, then you have nothing to worry about because millions are watching faceless content. So it's no wonder people are raking in thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. That's why I'm jumping into the TikTok world to crack the code to the algorithm and see if you can become the next digital gold digger. Unlike my ex-wife, who is a real-life gold digger, little awkward humor. Okay, sorry for the ex-wife joke. Finding the golden niche can feel like searching for Waldo in a rave. So that's why I'm here to unveil the 5 best niches that'll turn you into a viral VIP. Let's begin. 1. Interesting facts. Picture this, your audience scrolling through their For You page, and bam! Your video pops up, ready to drop a mind-blowing fact that leaves them hooked. TikTok is all about quick, engaging content, and interesting facts are the perfect fit. Choose topics that make people go, no way, I didn't know that. Whether it's quirky animal behaviors, historical tidbits, or surprising science facts, keep it short, sweet, and visually captivating. Use TikTok's text overlay features to emphasize key points, and don't be afraid to get creative with visuals. Consider incorporating eye-catching images, graphics, or even a touch of humor to make your facts memorable. The goal is to make learning fun and shareable, encouraging viewers to hit that like button and follow for more mind-expanding content. Remember, the beauty of interesting facts lies in its universal appeal. Your content can resonate with a broad audience, making it shareable across various demographics. So, grab your audience's attention, ignite their curiosity, and watch your TikTok presence skyrocket. Ready to dive into the realm of fascinating knowledge? Let's make your TikTok profile the go-to destination for those aha moments. 2. Geolocation. Niche number 2, which is also super cool, and it's called Geolocation. You know those videos that take you on virtual tours of amazing places? Yep, that's geolocation. And guess what? This page right here proves it can be super successful. They racked up 93,000 followers in just 1 month by posting about celebrity houses. One of their videos even got over 10.7 million views. Imagine that. So, how do they do it? Turns out, it's simpler than you think. Most people think it's complicated, but it's all about knowing where to start. The secret weapon? Google Earth Studio. Yes, that free tool from Google. It lets you explore any place on Earth like you're flying a drone, creating stunning panoramic shots. This guy uses these Google Earth visuals, adds an AI voiceover, throws in a picture of the celebrity, and puts some text on the screen. That's literally it. But here's the cool part. You can totally add your own twist to this. Instead of celebrity houses, you could showcase famous landmarks, breathtaking natural wonders like the Grand Canyon, or even hidden gems you discover. It's all about your creativity and storytelling. And let me tell you, Google Earth Studio is powerful. With a few edits, you can create super realistic and eye-catching visuals. People will be glued to your videos, exploring the world from their phones. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of geolocation on TikTok. You might just be the next virtual tour guide sensation. 3. Quiz. My next niche pick is all about quizzes, and it's one of my top favorites because quizzes can take 1,000 shapes and sizes just like you. Take this page right here called SoundBiz. They're all about music quizzes with a super cool twist. It's all about snippets. This genius plays a 3-5-second chunk of the songs, and viewers have to guess the album it's from. Talk about brain teasers for music fans. And guess what? This page popped up just a month ago and already has a whopping 20 million views. Plus, they can target tons of different music tastes because there are like a million albums out there. Now, there's one possible snag with the music niche: copyright.
What album is this song on?
Not sure if it works the same as TikTok's unoriginal content flag, but it's something to consider. But hey, even if you gotta steer clear of your own tunes, this strategy can still catapult your page past 10K followers in no time. Think outside the box, like this next idea: movie snippets. 2 seconds of a scene, then boom, viewers gotta guess the flow. Or how about a lightning-fast Disney song challenge?
Which one is the red? Answer.
1 second snippet. Let's see those Disney movie buffs shine. Need more ideas? Car fanatics, this one's for you. Show a car bumper for 5 seconds. Watch the guesses fly for the make and model. The possibilities are truly endless. And if you prefer classic trivia, check out this page quiz battle. Just a month old and bam, 100 million views. No fancy editing, just good old-fashioned quiz questions. Simple, but oh so effective. 4. Mysteries. Our next niche is mysteries, a niche that holds the power to captivate TikTok audiences with intrigue and suspense. As the saying goes, everyone loves a good mystery, and TikTok is no exception. Look at this account right here, called Forbidden Combo. They're all about mysteries and conspiracy stories, and they are getting millions of views and earns thousands of dollars. To thrive in the mysteries niche, you need to channel your inner detective and present content that sparks curiosity and invites viewers to join you in unraveling the unknown. Consider delving into unsolved cases, paranormal activities, or mind-bending riddles that leave your audience eagerly anticipating the next twist in the tale begin. By crafting a visually compelling introduction that sets the mood. Use mysterious visuals and a suspenseful background to instantly draw viewers in. Share snippets of lesser-known mysteries, leaving tantalizing breadcrumbs to keep them hooked. Narrate the stories with an engaging and authentic tone, creating a connection with your audience. Encourage audience interaction by posing questions, theories, or inviting them to share their own mysterious experiences. TikTok thrives on community engagement, and the mysteries niche provides the perfect opportunity for viewers to become active participants in the journey. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets and keep TikTok users on the edge of their seats, embrace the mysteries niche. Get ready to embark on a journey into the unknown, where every video is a chance to unravel the next captivating mystery, leaving your audience eagerly awaiting the next chapter in your TikTok saga. 5. Gaming. Last but not least, our last niche for today's video is gaming. We can't forget about gaming. Take this page right here called TFU. They're all about gaming videos, and as you can see how well it is performing. Millions of views and bucket of dollars. The gaming niche is a dynamic niche that offers endless possibilities for content creators and gamers alike. The gaming community on TikTok is vibrant and vast, making it an ideal space to showcase your gaming prowess and connect with fellow enthusiasts. This niche is one I've tried, and I've gained thousands of views on TikTok. It's a sought-after niche, especially if you love gaming. Don't hesitate to create an account on TikTok dedicated to this field. You can create content around popular games like Minecraft, Free Fire, PS Fortnite, and GTA. All these games have large audiences, and you can either play or share entertaining clips. For example, let's take a look at this page called The Typical Gamer they are currently getting. About 1 million views every week or so, which is just an easy 1,000 for them. And as you scroll through their page, you can see that they're consistently posting videos. People love watching this type of content or creating tutorial content such as how to download games and explanations of websites and apps for game charging. Over time, you can even start live streaming on your account. Just be cautious of TikTok. Warnings that may lead to video deletions, share valuable content, and you'll see who appreciates your content. There you have it, the 5 best niches to conquer TikTok's creative beta program. Which niche are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And if you need to learn how to create your own short-form content in an easy-to-do way, then click the link here to learn to do just that. Thank you and happy TikToking.